Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove the air vents, the one on the interior on a Ford pickups. That's the Super Duty series. This one is a F-350, but it's the same for all of them from 2008, I think, all the way until now, 2015. So stay with us to see how we're gonna do that, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. We upload about 5 new videos every week. Okay, this is the air vent that I'm talking about. If you need to replace it, they break often, or you need to clean it really good, we're gonna do that at the detail shop. You can remove them really easy. You need a flathead screwdriver and you need to put some electrical tape on around it, as you can see, so we don't scratch the plastic. And you go one on the bottom and kind of like on the sides and the top, a little bit at a time, without applying too much pressure, because otherwise you might crack it. You just go a little bit at a time around it. And okay, that's how you remove it, as you can see. Those are the clips right there, one in each corner. So it has 4 clips that you need to get with a screwdriver. And now it's really easy to just wipe it, clean it, and install it back on the pickup. Okay, now we're gonna apply some protectant. This one is the Super Shine with the UV protectant, and clean it, because otherwise it's impossible to get in those little bitty creases right there. And it's really easy to install. Again, right there, that's where the clips go, as you can see, 1, 2 and 2 on the top. So you need to make sure that you need to line it up good, and we're just going to press it in, but you go a little bit at a time on each side. Okay, and it just goes right in, really simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.